what that wheel costs, the economy of it, price to value is incredible.
What you think about it? Do you play with it?
Yeah, we've already got two bikes ago. Yeah, we basically did extended this tube. It goes into the middle and keeps going out.
I see.
Now, you wouldn't carry a big load on the front, but
No,
at least you could carry something bulky and lighter for a small child.
Right. Have you seen the extra cycle thing?
Yeah.
Where did you ever try that with the bamboo?
Well, that's what this is basically, except it's just built in. Not a bolt-on unit.
No.
But
spokes. The thing would be, I think for us, you have to have something, how do I explain it, not fancy, but I mean already this is fancy, but you have to have like them putting their load over here. It's sort of like want it to be more special, so we have to like create like, I don't know, like
a basket,
a bag where,
yeah.
and I'm thinking the you know what we saw with the